Earnings per click, EPC. This is the average rate that helps affiliates estimate their earnings or potential earnings at a glance. Although it is called earnings per click, in reality, it is earnings per 100 clicks. This is computed based on the total affiliate earnings for that offer or program, divided by the number of clicks the offer has received for a given period. The result is then multiplied by 100 to come up with the average earnings per 100 clicks. Fired pixel. This is an industry-wide term which means a click or an impression has occurred, and that information on that specific ad view or click has been sent back to the affiliate's tracker. This may also mean that a conversion has occurred when the click generated a lead or a sale. First click. This is a program policy wherein the first affiliate who managed to place a cookie on a user's browser or computer will be the one credited with the lead or sale. This is applicable only until the cookie expires and if the user has not yet deleted the cookie. Until then, cookies placed by subsequent affiliate links will not be considered for the conversion. Flat deal, also known as direct buy or flat rate advertising deal. This allows a media buyer to purchase all incoming traffic from a website at a fixed fee. Since all traffic is being purchased, the buyer cannot filter or separate high-quality traffic from low-quality ones. The only thing the buyer can control is the location of the ad space, as well as the start and end dates of the ad. Frequency capping. This is the number of times a unique user views or clicks an ad within a given period, such as a 1-hour, a 12-hour period, or a 24-hour period. This helps prevent ad burnout. Geo-targeting. This is a targeting option that allows the affiliate to purchase only traffic coming from a specific geographic location, such as a region, country, state, or even city. An ad network is able to filter this based on the IP address of the user. Hit. This is the number of file requests each web page makes on a server. If a web page contains one image and one graphic, that page makes 3 hits when it loads completely. 1 for the page, 1 for the graphic file, and 1 for the image. However, this term is sometimes incorrectly used to refer to one-page view. HTML, short for hypertext. Markup language. HTML is a markup language that uses a combination of symbols and codes to create pages that can be displayed in a browser. When published live, these become available on the World Wide Web. Hyperlink. This is an item on a web page that contains a link that directs the user to a different part of the page or a different website altogether. The hyperlinked item can be a word, a series of words, or an image, and is often highlighted to emphasize that clicking on it will lead you somewhere else. Impression. This refers to the numerous times an ad is displayed. In pop ads, one pop of a web page is counted as an impression. In display and text link ads, an impression is counted whether or not the ad is in the viewable range. A viewable impression, on the other hand, is counted when at least 50% of the ad appears in the viewable range for at least a second. In-house. There are multiple meanings associated with this term, but in general, it means from within. Here are some instances where the term in-house is most commonly used. In-house affiliate program. This is when a company or advertiser wants to run their own affiliate program instead of working with agencies or using affiliate networks. In-house tracking platform. This is when an advertiser, an affiliate network, or a traffic network uses a tracking system that is built exclusively for them. In-house fraud prevention system. This is when a traffic network uses its own proprietary system to track and prevent bots. Inbound link. Also known as a backlink, an inbound link is one that is used to drive traffic towards your website from an external page. This type of link is one of search engines' positive signals, which helps increase your web page's rankings in search results. Incentive traffic. This is a type of traffic wherein the user receives a reward for completing a certain action, which in turn results in a conversion for the affiliate. Rewards can come in the form of discounts, money, free items, points, and more. Index or indexing. This is when a web page is discovered by search engine crawlers and become part of that search engine's database. A search engine's index is a compilation of all websites and pages in their database. Once a website has been indexed, it has the potential to appear in a search query. Incentivized offers. These are offers that can be run on incentivized traffic. Index. Index, or search engine index, is essentially a database of web pages that search engines collect. This is where they base their search results and is regularly updated by search engine crawlers. Indie program. This is short for Independent Affiliate Program, which means a business or merchant will be running his own affiliate program instead of working with an affiliate network. Internal linking. This is an SEO technique wherein a web page has links directing to other pages within the same website. It is said that internal linking helps improve a specific web page's ranking in search engines. Interstitial ads. This is a type of ad that covers the entire screen of the web page or the app. It appears before the target page opens up.